Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to make natural Easter egg dye. I like natural Easter egg dye because it's better for my kids, it's better for the planet, and when I cook from scratch, I want to use whole natural ingredients. So these will work if I want to use the eggs later for like deviled eggs or egg salad too. You can use this simple natural Easter egg dye recipe to make pretty pastels or deep, beautiful, moody egg colors. Let's get started. First, you want to gather your supplies. We made all ours from simple fruits, vegetables, spices, water, and vinegar. Next, we simply boiled each ingredient with water for about 15 minutes. Then we strained and poured our dyes into mason jars. You don't specifically need a mason jar, but a glass container is perfect for this. Next, we added 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar per half cup of water. If you add more than that, which we also tried, you will get more spots on your eggs. Then we steamed our eggs, which I like to do instead of hard boiling. I found that steaming them causes fewer cracks and breaks in the eggs. Once the eggs cool, dip away and see how many color combinations you can come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I'm going to put a link to the blog post in the description below so that if you guys have more questions on natural Easter egg dye, you can go there and get all the answers. Or you can comment below too. Please subscribe to our channel if you love this video. We'd love to have you follow along with all our adventures here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse.